welcome to another video. In this video we'll show you how to use a local time zone inform Titan table. So the use case here is that I've got an account called United Kingdom Hospital. They've got 5 contacts and each contact has booked an appointment, which is over here an appointment date and time. Now that appointment is in UK time zone, but I'm in Mexico, so I need to be able to see the conversion of that UK time zone into Mexican time. How do I do that? Well, let me show you quickly. So let's grab a table. This is specifically for table, by the way. And we'll create up 2 details. So we'll do full name and then we'll do appointment time. Go to map my fields. We're going to add an object. We're going to bring contact. We'll do execute on form load, where account ID equals other, and then we'll get the account ID here like this. Paste this in here, and then we will go ahead and map some fields. We're going to bring all the contacts, so we'll bring back full name, we'll bring back appointment date and time, which is a date and time field at the end of the day. That's what it is. Okay, so we'll click apply and click preview. So as I said, this is going to bring it in UK time zone right now, like this. So 2:45, 11, 10, 12, 1. Understood. But I want to be able to see this in Mexican time zone because I'm in Mexico. So what we'll do is we'll use something called local time zone over here under advanced. So use local time zone, click apply, and now watch it change. It's converted into your local time zone like this. Okay, so that's how it is. All you have to do is, once you've got it, is check this functionality here, local time zone, and it will convert it into your local time zone easily. And that's how you do it.